This time on the exciting world of life science, genetically engineering the future. So let's talk about what genetic engineering actually is. So say this is a chain of DNA. The way we would genetically engineer this chain is by taking away or adding a piece of new DNA. So by now you're probably asking, how is genetic engineering helpful to us as humans? So, doctors can help their patients by, not that kind of doctor. So, the easiest way to explain how genetic engineering helps us is to have a hypothetical situation. Say this person has a genetic disease, and this is his doctor. He is trying to find out how he can help his patient by containing his genetic disease to him so that he won't pass it on to his children. In this case, the doctor can use genetic engineering on the embryo containing his genes. By taking away the damaged genes, he can ensure that the baby will not have the same genetic disease. The most recent development in the field of genetic engineering has been that of CRISPR. This is a new way of adding and taking away pieces of genetic material. It stands for clustered, regularly interspaced, short palindromic repeats. So, what does that all mean? Let's translate this all to English. CRISPR is segments of prokaryotic DNA containing short repetitions of base sequences. Currently, there's a legal debate as to who owns the intellectual rights of CRISPR, but for our purposes, we are going to continue on to how CRISPR works. CRISPR is basically the cut and paste of the genome world. Using guide RNA, which is shown here in blue, it goes and finds the target sequence, cuts it, and inserts the new DNA. Any cell that is reproduced from the modified cell will now have the modified genes, resulting in having healthy DNA. Using this new technology, a couple could prevent their baby from having the same genetic defects as those in their families who have had in the past. So, why don't all doctors use this technique? One of the reasons is the ethics behind genetic engineering. If scientists do not follow good morals, then genetic engineering could possibly lead to things such as the Hulk and Godzilla and other comic book characters. But if we follow good morals and ethical protocols, we could end up with a genetic disease-free population. Furthermore, there are applications for genetic engineering in the field of cancer research. These are things such as using genetic engineering on cancerous cells so that the dangerous genes are eliminated. I'm Dominique Sullivan, and thanks for watching.